Hello everyone, my name is Uttam Tiwari and I am going to today demonstrate a cloud-hosted photo sharing application with automated deployments. Let's talk into the background. It is an online photo platform and image-based contents, and there are some key challenges. Media upload increases processing and network load on backend systems. And talking about the architectural design in the front-end part and back-end part. In the front-end part, code deploy into the GitHub and Git Action and Azure static apps. In the back-end part, code deploy in the GitHubs into Dockers and Dockers into the Azure Container Registers, and it auto deploy into the Azure Containers apps where the data are stored in the Cosmos MongoDB and the file are stored in the Azure Blob Store, and the front-end and back-end are interact in the REST API. Talking about the front-end implementation, the user interface is developed using the React framework, and front-end changes does not require back-end redeployment. Front-end deployment is auto deployments where front-end source code is stored and version in GitHubs. In the backend implementation, the backend is developed using the Node.js and the Express frameworks. The application follow modular root-based structures. Talking about the backend part, the backend application is packaged as a Docker containers. GitHub Action automatically build container image. And talking about the application stores, application data is stored in a MongoDB SQL database, and the photo and comment, post and like are stored as the documents, and the uploaded image are stored in the Azure Blob storage. Media file are separated from the application domain. Talking about the automation, code commit automatically trigger CI/CD pipelines. Talking about the deployments, upload image to in the deployment briefing. First of all, I use the Azure for the different resources like the Azure containers, MongoDB frontend and backend parts. Our front end is running at the static web, and the backend is running at the containers apps. And when we are pushing code into our backend one, Docker generate the field as from the container registry and auto deploy into the containers apps, and data are stored in the MongoDB. And let's see the backend API is auto running here, auto deploying here, and this is Cosmos MongoDB where data are stored. This is the front end part, and this is the backend part where the post service API is running, and this is GitHub where code are pushed into the actions and is auto deploying here. And this is the backend part where the code is pushed for the GitHub actions, and this is our code, front-end code and front codes. So let's dive into our web application. First of all, we can create a account here as well. So I'm going to sign in from user part. .com. Where we can see we can like and comment from here, and we can search from also here, where we can see the post of the creator here, like and comment also we can here. We can see the profile as well, and the list. So move into the creator part. Creator part where creator can create a post, post title, location, and write something about it. And creator can see the post as well where he posts many posts like 1 2 3 4. I create myself 5 posts. So this is the creator part, and let's dive into the limitation. There are some limitation of this. Database throughout is constrained by the service confirmation limits. The application does not support real-time notification and live updates, And talking about the summary, the objective of scalability, automation, and reliability are successfully met, and the automation CI/CD pipeline reduce deployment error and release time. Thank you.